your safety and the safety of those around you, please walk slowly and carefully to your next destination. Thank you.